Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to help you check if your PayPal account is verified. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my PayPal open right now, and the first thing to know is that you used to be able to check if your account was verified in the app or online, but now in 2021, you can't actually do that. So to check if your account is verified, you have to go to a separate website, and I have those links right here. They'll be in the comment section below. And if the first link doesn't work, then try the second link. But we'll go through it now, and I'll copy and paste this link, open link. And PayPal pulls up this page, and it says PayPal account is verified. And this is the first link. If I want to check out the second link, copy and paste that. And again, says your PayPal account is verified. But one thing to know is that if either of these links don't work and or if it comes up with a balance page, then your profile is not verified, and therefore you need to take those next steps to verify your account. So again, if one of the two links works, that's good, but if both of them do not work, then your account, and it comes up with a budget page, then your account is not verified. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, like and comment if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe.